Hi everyone! Today I would like to share a special event with you. As of September 2018, I've become an MVP, a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional, and with that come a couple of awards, such as the award kit itself. So it's a nice box, it's pretty heavy, and I know from pictures on the web what it contains, but this one is especially mine. So I would like to share the unboxing event with you. So let's see. It says it's fragile, so we will be careful when opening it. Let's see what's inside. Well, it looks nice. Very nice actually. Dark blue, Microsoft logo on it. And here we go. An MVP for 2018 till 19. And here we go, Most Valuable Professional Award. And when I open it, there it is. Erik van Herk with a nice thing to hang on the wall. This certainly is going to go on the wall for me somewhere next to the clock maybe. It's nice, it's silver. It says that I'm an MVP for the Office apps and services as of September 2018. We recognize and value your exceptional contributions and commitment to technical communities worldwide. By sharing your real-world experiences and technical skills, you demonstrate outstanding technical community leadership. Thank you. Very nice. So this is going on the wall. And then there's a couple of other things here, such as, well, let's see. Congratulations, we are pleased to present you with the 2018-19 Microsoft MVP Award. This award is given to exceptional technical community leaders who actively share their passions, community spirit and leadership to others. And then some other things that I'm going to read, not during this video. So here we go, what's inside. There's pins here. And they are also silvery. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with these. I can use them on my name badges, I think. At least that's what I see here. There's a special card that I can use during conferences. And there's a pin, which I can pin on my shirt, for instance. Oh, that's nice. Might be doing that. And it's magnetic, so I can just easily do this right now. Awesome. So my wife will see this happening every day from now on, where I pin this on my shirt. So let's continue, because this is not all. There's a special box inside, which is quite heavy. Well, this isn't heavy, but this is. This is just a box, but here is a special trophy. And the trophy comes with a year ring, so that when or if I am re-elected as an MVP, I can add that to the trophy itself. And let's get this little puppy out here. So, wow. We recognize and value your exceptional contributions to technical communities worldwide. This is a heavy thing, and it has a nice world atlas engraved in it. And if I put it like this, you'll see that the ring works. So I know Peter Kestenels, who is the CEO of Projectum. He already has a nice tag here, and you probably have seen photos of other MVPs who have stacks here. This is my first contribution, so wow. And then this is the box that it came in, which is also high quality stuff. And then there's important information enclosed, but I'll keep this to myself to make the video a bit shorter. So with that, this is the unboxing event of a Microsoft MVP Award Kit. I hope you enjoyed it. I have enjoyed it very much and look forward to next year's. Thank you very much and stay tuned for next videos.